Man shot dead by security guard at Dream Weekend Dream Life party in Negril.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A man was shot dead at a party at Cayenne Beach in Negril, Westmoreland on Friday morning, August 3. The deceased has been identified as Mathieu, a 37-year-old businessman of a Middlesbrough Crescent address in St. Andrew. Police report states that at about 3:15 a.m., Mathieu was a patron at the Dream Life party when he became engaged in an altercation with a security guard over access to the VIP area. It is being alleged that he tried to take into the VIP area a female without an armband but was denied by the security guard, Mike Chin, who was employed by the Dream Entertainment team. Further allegations are that the now deceased man hit Mr. Chin several times, then pulled his licensed 9mm Zig Sawyer gun and pointed it at Mr. Chin, who then pulled his licensed 9mm Glock pistol and fired a single round, hitting Mathieu in the chest. He then fell to the ground. The firearm was recovered and he was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. A video clip showing the moments after the man was shot has been making the rounds online. It shows two women making a frantic attempt to resuscitate the gunshot victim. Kamal Banki, a director at Dream Entertainment, said that the organizers regret the loss of life and trusts that the incident will be thoroughly investigated. He said, however, that based on preliminary investigations, the security officer acted in self-defense. "We understand that our security handled himself in the most professional way to protect himself and other patrons," Banki said, stating that the security guard had attempted to defend himself with a baton before resorting to his gun. It is unclear how Mathieu was able to enter the venue with a firearm. Banki said all patrons are subjected to a security screening by Jamaica Constabulary Force officers at the entrance to the parties. He further sought to reassure patrons of their safety as the party series continues over the holiday weekend, noting that the security on the ground will be managed by police and security guards who are fully capable.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.